Good evening, everybody. Let's get you up to date on what's going on in the weather situation here. We have multiple severe weather events or severe thunderstorm warnings that are taking place across the North Iowa area. We're going to get into that here in just a moment. I'll let you know what is going to be happening across the North Iowa area with the severe weather situation that we currently have in place. As we've got multiple severe thunderstorm warnings that are in effect for our area. I'm going to switch to that screen. We'll remove that and we'll go live here. Okay, we've got severe thunderstorms moving into the northern Iowa area. As you can see here, they're moving up from the south. As far as warnings that are in effect, currently we've got a severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 6:45 for Webster, Pocahontas, Wright, Southern Kossuth, Calhoun, Humboldt, Southern Hancock, Hamilton, and Palo Alto counties. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northeast of Varina to Pioneer to near Fort Dodge Regional Airport to 6 miles north of Ellsworth, moving north at 55 miles per hour. 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail are indicated with these storms. So that kind of gives you an idea. There's that warning that's in effect until 6:45. We have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 7 o'clock for northern Polk, Story, Hardin, Marshall, southwestern Grundy, northern Jasper, and southeastern Hamilton and southeastern Boone counties. Severe thunderstorm warnings in effect for those areas. Looks like storm reports just outside of the Des Moines area. We had, obviously, there's a warning ongoing in this area just outside of Des Moines. There's Johnston, there's Elkhart, there's the Des Moines Metro. Thunderstorm wind gust of 72 miles an hour, thunderstorm wind gust of 65 miles an hour, 60-mile-per-hour wind gust, 1 to 1.5 diameter torn from trees as far as branches. That's a storm report there. So this is kind of the stuff that's going to be moving north towards the Mason City, Sheffield area with those warnings that are currently in effect for those areas. And this kind of extends west with this cluster of thunderstorms that's going to continue to move towards the north. Rapidly moving towards the north. Looks like they're almost weakening as they head further and further north. So I don't know if these warnings for this area will be extended or if they will just be allowed to expire in 15 minutes or so, because obviously, as you can tell by the radar returns, as the storms continue to move northward, you can see that they continue to weaken as they move into more stable air over in this area. So excuse me, as we see things happening here as the thunderstorm activity continues to move north. Looks like things are kind of weakening as it moves into more stable air here over northern Iowa. But yeah, we've got that severe thunderstorm warnings. Most of these are in effect until 6:45. Let's see if there's 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail reported. Some locations impacted include Whitmore, Pomeroy, Brushy Gate State Recreation Area, Belmont, Havelock, Galt, Goodell, Rutland, the Frank A. Gotch State Park, Eagle Grove Municipal Airport, Colville, Lawrence, and Emmitsburg. This includes mile markers between 131 and 154. So that's kind of the deal there. And this weather almost looks like it's moving into more stable air, but I'm going to look at a different switch radar sites. This is switching to the Minneapolis radar site. But even there, you could tell that the images aren't as strong. The storms aren't as strong as they were when they were further south. But there is a severe thunderstorm watch. There's a severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 10 p.m. for these areas. And we've got a severe thunderstorm watch now that's in effect until 1 a.m. Saturday for northern Iowa, which includes the Mason City area, Spencer, Forest City, as well as the Rochester, Austin, Albert Lee areas. a severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 1 a.m. I'm going to check the chat here. Let's see if there's any information to pass along that's new at this point. There's some pictures there of damaged building in the Guthrie Center via amateur radio operator earlier. But that seems to be all that's going on for the time being. But yes, you could see the severe thunderstorm warnings that are in effect for areas like by Clarion, just to the south of Kanawha, over West Bend right now, just to the north of Gilmore City. And that's basically where we're at this point with these warnings in effect until 6:45. We'll find out if these warnings will be extended or not as the evening progresses. So that's where we're at right now when it comes to severe weather across our area. Make sure you keep it here. We'll keep you informed with the latest weather information throughout the evening. And make sure you stay safe wherever you are. And we'll keep you informed with the latest weather information throughout the night as it becomes available here on Weather Iowa platform, as well as on the radio, various radio stations, Mix 107.3 and B1031. Thanks for watching. We'll check in with you soon when severe weather breaks out. We'll keep you informed here with the latest weather information. Thanks for watching.